How to create a reminder on Google Calendar. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a reminder on Google Calendar easily. So first thing, go to Google Calendar. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this little option and choose reminder. Click on it, and now right here you will be able to add a reminder to anything you want. For example, remind me to sport like this all the day, or you can adjust. For example, choose the days that you want to remind you, or you can add every day and choose if you want to repeat it every day or every week or every month or even every year. And after you finish, click save. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.